In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed GPS coordinates or location metadata in Adobe Bridge. This can be an incredibly useful feature, especially for photographers or anyone looking to keep track of where their images were taken. Let's dive into the process step by step. First things first, you'll need to open Adobe Bridge on your computer. Once you're in, navigate to the folder on your drive that contains the images you want to tag with GPS coordinates. It's worth mentioning that organizing your images into folders by project or location can make this process much smoother, as you can handle multiple files at once if they share the same location. Once you've located your desired folder, it's time to select the image or images you wish to tag with GPS metadata. If you want to tag multiple files simultaneously, you can do so by holding down the Shift key and clicking the first and last image in a series to select a range, or hold down the Control key and click each file individually. Ensuring you've selected the right images beforehand will save you time later. With your images selected, you'll need to open the File Info dialog. To do this, go to the top menu bar, click on File, and then select File Info. It's important to note that some file types might not support GPS metadata, so make sure that your file format is compatible. In the File Info dialog box, you'll notice various tabs, each providing different types of information about your file. For this task, locate the tab labeled GPS. Now, within the GPS tab, you have the opportunity to input specific location data. Enter the latitude and longitude coordinates of the location where the images were captured. There's also an option to include the altitude, which can be significant for images taken in elevated locations. Accurate data entry is crucial here, as incorrect coordinates will point to entirely different locations on a map. Once you've finished editing the fields and you're satisfied with the information entered, it's essential to save these changes to your file. You have two options here. Either click Apply in the Metadata panel or OK in the File Info dialog. This confirmation step is vital to ensure that all your new GPS data is correctly written into the file. And there you have it. With these steps, you'll have effectively embedded GPS coordinates or location metadata into your images using Adobe Bridge. This feature can greatly enhance the organization of your photography projects and prove beneficial for future reference. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing for more tips and tricks like this.